Welcome to Teen Tip Tuesday, demonstrating everyday life skills. The more we know, the better we live. Brought to you by OSU Extension.
Hi, I'm Pat Brinkman, Family Consumer Science Educator in Fayette County. And today I'm going to show you how to make apple nachos, which is a wonderful snack and quick and easy to make. So I've washed my hands and I've also washed the apple. So now we're going to take an apple core and we're going to push it down through and get rid of the core of the apple. If you don't have an apple core, it's all right. You'll just slice up the apple and that will work too. So we're going to slice these pieces so that we don't in two pieces actually, so that our apples are a little thinner when we do the apple nachos. But an apple core usually takes out all the seeds and get rid of the core. But on this one I see I have a few little pieces here that I kind of missed, so I'm just going to take that and get rid of those pieces. And now I'm going to slice the apple into two pieces. If you have a large apple, this recipe makes two. For a smaller size apple, which is more mine, you can make 2 servings or you can use it for just one, because an apple doesn't have a lot of calories and it's very nutritious for you. So it has a lot of fiber and other vitamins and minerals that is good for our bodies. There's the old saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So here we've got the apple now all sliced and put out on a plate. And now we're going to add the toppings for our nacho. We're going to start out with, in this case I have some peanut butter here. If your peanut butter is a little stiff and won't spread very easily, you can put it in the microwave for a short time, for about 10-15 seconds, and it usually spreads much easier. Many people may be allergic to peanut butter, so you can use almond butter, safflower butter, or you can always leave any of these ingredients out. You don't have to use all of them. Another good thing on it is some cran raisins, if you like those. So we'll add some cran raisins on this one. We can add some raisins, which are always delicious with apples. And so we'll add a few raisins on top. We're adding some sunflower or pumpkin or other kinds of seeds you may want to add with this. That gives a little more nutrition, a little protein, and extra good. You may want to sprinkle just a dash of cinnamon on it, because you know apples and cinnamon are terrific together. So give it a little cinnamon shake. And as an extra special treat, add some mini chocolate chips. Everybody loves chocolate, so add some mini chocolate chips. And there you have it, an easy and quick snack of apple nachos.